Hello, it's the Avid Picker, and today I have a challenge lock. And this challenge lock is pinned by Bobby Keyz. This came to me in a package from Bill Bacardi, and well, I thought we would pick it, but this thing has a pretty paracentric keyway. There's warding. Well, it's not going to show on the video. Anyway, sorry about that. Let's get the vise and see if we can't get this thing picked. It's a Corbin Russ one. Make sure the key works. Okay, it's only going to go that far, but I'll keep it in frame and pull it out of the vise and show you that it's open when I get it open. Alright, I'm going to go bottom of the keyway with the wide windshield wiper insert. And I think I'm going to use the Sparrows Lunatic. Oh, and this is the bitting on the key. So you got a couple highs behind a lot of lows. Pretty good. Good bitting. Alright. Let me zoom in on the lock and we'll get this sucker picked. Hopefully. Get a little zoom or focus. There we go. Well, alright. Come on. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do like I always do, start in the back and find a binder. Number 5. Let's see here. Gotta click on 1 and a little turn on the core. And we are open on 3. Now my pick is stuck. Okay, let me back out here, and now I'll show you that it's open. The lock is picked. Okay, let's get rid of the vise, and we will gut this thing. Get my pin and tray. I still haven't figured out this camera setup I have. Okay, that should be good. Alright. Now, pinning tray. Alright, let's see if we can. There we go. Now, looks like it's gonna need a Phillips head. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it up. You see it is picked. Alright. And screwdriver. Okay. I hope everyone's having a good day and everything. I hope everybody's well. I have a little bit of a cold and allergies, which I haven't had before, but this year I do. Okay, put the key in and turn it right there. And use my Keydex follower. Actually, I'm going to shim it because it's a challenge lock. Well, that's fine. Let's see here. Can't get the shim in. Okay, well, we'll hope for the best. It's probably because the shim was not even in the right spot. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm having an off day. Okay. And wrap. Good deal. And as you can see, everything is in and moving. I think I see why I picked it so quickly. We have 2 overset traps, and that definitely, that was good on my side of the end, you know. Good enough that I didn't overset them, but they also didn't require being picked. The one is, I'll zoom in on them when I'm done. 2 is a spool. 3 is a step down spool. 4 is a serrated. 5 is another step down spool. And 6 is a spool. Okay, we'll go ahead and look in the core. And as you can see, chambers 1, 3, and 5 are threaded. And number 6 is undercut. And then we got drill protection, I think. Maybe not, since it's at the back. But, anywho, that's the plug. Wow. Okay. Now, let's see what's up in the Bible. Oh, wow. This is not the correct size at all. I am lucky as hell I didn't. Wow. Lose everything. Okay, well, we're still gonna just gut it like this. Next time I'll just have to make sure I'm using the right size follower, because that's way too small for this log. Okay, in one we have, oh crap, come on out of there. It's a T-pin of some, oh okay, well, it's caught up in the spring. Come on. Well, shit. Okay. Well, one does not want to come out. Let's see. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. I think it'll come out now. Ah, you little devil. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch to some. There we go. Okay, now we have what is it's actually a serrated T-pin caught up in the spring. So that's the way it went. I don't need these anymore. Alright, now hopefully we can get this thing gutted without too much trouble. This one is not even at the shear line. I have to come back to him. So, number 3. Wow, this is a real mess. Ah, jeez. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I found it. So we got a serrated in 3. Okay. He was like that. Wow, I'm really butchering this gutting. But, you know, we all have to learn from our mistakes. I've never picked a Corbin Russ one, so I had no idea that the follower had to be different size. Alright, now 4 is barely above the shear. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and it went like that right there. Okay, there's the spring. Little guy. Alright. Oh, that one shot out of there. We got kind of a spoolish, T-pinish type driver with a strong spring. Oh. Strong steel spring. And then in number 6, we have a standard. Alright. Now, let me see if I can fish out the spring for number 6 and the driver for number 2. Okay, there's the spring for 6. Come on out there, you little devil. Alright. There we go. And now, number 2. It's in there. I think it's just caught up on the, maybe caught up on the warding. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm gonna have to go through the top to get this one. And I think this is the appropriate size. And it's number 2. And it's not the appropriate size. Just my luck. Alright, there's the appropriate size. Okay. Well, dig it out. I think it's because of all the serrate. Wow, it's really in there. Okay. Oh, there's the pin. Alright. Now, we got them all out. Okay. That spring was damaged, so I will replace it with one that is not. And I got the same size, so that should be fine. Let me line these up here, and we'll take a look at them. Alright, and modifications in the Bible, we got threading in 1, 2, 4, and 6. Alright, now, the key pin for number 1 is, let's see here, come on now, is a serrated. Key pin number 2 is a spool. Key pin number 3 is a serrated spool. Key pin number 4 is a long serrated. Number 5 is a barrel type spool and with serrations and a sharp top. And number 6 is a step down spool with a sharp top. Okay, driver number 1, we have this serrated drunken spool. Driver number 2, we have a serrated, really fine serrations with the wide gaps. Number 3 is just serrated. And number 4 is a T-pinish spoolish serration with serrations. Number 5 is a T-pin spoolish mushroom type And number 6 is standard. So that has been the pick and gut of Bobby Keyz Corbin Russwin challenge log. And restricted, do not duplicate. Anyway, if you like what I do here and like my video, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Everybody be safe and keep on picking.